this wasn't supposed to be a topic. Ang original topic talaga nito was, can you discuss the love life of Charles and Miaka? But ang dami nagtanong eh. Maraming nagtanong.
Mas interesting to kaysa yung
mas sports related.
You know what? Is it too late to change
No.
the topic to that?
No.
Kasi parang...
No, maraming For the Win viewers ang nag-request that we talk about this.
Okay.
So they're asking, how do we feel about drums? Okay, drums in the PBA finals. For the record, both teams meron. For the longest time, Togetex ang nagdala. But as of game 2, dalawang set yung nakita ko eh, kabila. So you assume na both teams may bit-bit na drums. Do you like it or not?
Can we start with you? Because I like to hear your...
I'm always last because I'm the moderator. Renren, ayan, maganda sa player na inabutan mo yan.
Ako...
As a player, na-motivate ba ikaw?
Hindi, syempre no sa UAAP, ibang klase. Kasi kasabay mo yun yung fans eh. Kasabay mo yung crowd, yung community, yung buong Lasal. So...
Okay, Lasal.
So, maganda yung kasi may rhythm. Diba, hindi lang parang noise. Kasi pag drums lang, di ba parang ingay sa tenga. Pero pag yung drums sa UAAP, talagang kasabay mo dun yung mga cheerleaders, mga pep squad, pati yung mga...
So ano naramdaman mo na sa PBA at sa narinig mo yung drums?
Okay lang, nag-champion naman kami nun eh. So wala problema. Simula ng drums ng Togetex.
Yun eh, nag-champion kayo.
So, pag sasabay lang ng fans, dapat alam din nilang ng fans yung...
wala namang cheer eh.
Kaya nga eh, yun yung problema. Kaya nagiging maingay siya kasi walang cheer. Panay bang, 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 bang. So parang maganda, meron silang cheer talaga, tapos sabayan talaga yung drums. Yun ang mas maganda. Walang problema sa akin pag...
Kung may
cheer.
Suzy?
Ako, I agree. Kung walang cheer, parang pointless lang.
Yes.
Parang it's just pointless noise. Pointless noise. I mean, I'm sure even the players get distracted kasi like, when you're playing for a UAP or NCAA team, may point kasi may sinasabayan silang cheers. Is there a...
It's part of the tradition.
Yeah. Parang one time I was watching on TV, tapos nakatulog ako, tapos parang naligaw ako kasi, oh my God, July na ba? May drums, alam mo yun? Nakaka-inactive siya. May ganung fact.
Nakaka-disorient.
Totoo, parang nakakaligaw. For me, it's pointless. Baka nakaka-distract pa sa...
So like kunyari, rain or shine, biglang nagdala ng drums, mabubuisit ka o matutuwa ka?
Hindi ako natutuwa talaga.
Okay.
It's pointless.
Pointless. Okay. Miyaka?
I agree. It's so dumb. Para siyang para siyang crash course ng Dummery 101. It's just pointless nga talaga pag walang cheer. Yung fans pa naman ng PBA, hindi sila unison mag-cheer. So,
kanya-kanyang cheer yan.
Maliban
lang kung inebra ka, yun lang.
Totoo yan. So, kanya-kanyang timing, kanya-kanyang cheer, hindi pa iisa yung lyrics. Alam mo yun, iba eh. Iba talaga. So, walang point. So, please stop. Huwag niyo yung gayahin. Wag niyo na ipagpatuloy. Nakakairita. Lalo na sa TV. Actually, nung nag-courtside ako, tapos may ganyan, OMG, hindi ko marinig yung nasa tenga ko, kaya parang napapasigaw ako na hindi naman dapat.
So, like, kunyari nanonood ka sa TV, do you find it, like, annoying? When you're watching on TV, or hindi mo naman masyadong
kasi hindi ko ikaw maintindihan.
Ganun? Hindi mo pinapahinggan talaga eh.
Minumit ko na kasi dahil sa drums eh.
Kahit walang drums, yung minumit.
Okay. Pag-isa lang tao.
Charles, drums, yes or no?
No.
No, why not?
That's it, no. For all the reasons they mentioned. Ang hirap kasi makarinig sa override yung pag nagsasalita tayo tapos may drums.
That's a practical reason. True. As a commentator, nahihirapan siya.
Ang hirap talaga.
No, but di ba you used to cover the UAP? Did you have a problem covering na may drums?
Mas nakakagana yun kasi may cheer.
May point!
May cheer. Kahit wala akong school dun sa mga games na kino-cover ko na, at least it sounded better na.
So, why are teams bringing drums?
Ewan ko.
Feeling ko, like, sinabayan.
If you're saying na walang point, wala naman
pang
cheer.
Pang-distract siguro sa bago mag-free throw, magpapalo-palo
sila. Hindi buong game eh. Hindi lang mag-free throw eh.
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Tuloy-tuloy
yung
lang
drums
eh.
ng Talk and Text, yung beats, parang same sakto ng beats ng Ateneo.
No, because some of them, sometimes San Beda, sometimes Ateneo. They take it students to play
Wala
the
na sila
drums.
racket.
Racket to racket
Feeling
para
ko
sa mga
ano,
estudyante.
feeling ko nag-hope sila na somehow mag-unite yung mga fans nila na sabayan
Siguro.
yung drums. Eh hindi nga, it's not
Walang
Maybe
happening.
if they pass
It's
around
so
like
not
a piece of
happening.
paper with like cheers.
Hey,
Oo.
Walang briefing before a game, so
Yun,
wala eh.
dapat
Look,
yan.
if Jimmy Alapag comes up to me and says, hey Miko, I watched your For the Win. You know what, the drums, it really pumps us up. Tatahimik na ako.
Oo.
If sabihin sa akin ni Ryan Reyes, you know, talaga kinikilabuta kami pag narinig namin yung talking text drums.
Have you actually asked any talking text player?
No.
You know, alam mo kung ganun ang case, kung napapump up sila dun sa drums, I bet you, ni isa sa kanila walang headphones during warm-ups.
Kasi kasama sa, pero kasama sa ano nila yun eh, yung pag-side.
Eh,
side.
kung napapump sila dun sa drums,
bakit
diba?
finals lang? Pati nilang every game.
Wag! Huwag na mag-suggest, pero tumahimik ka na lang.
Paalis mo na!
Finals na pinag-uusapan eh.
Guys, stop ganging up on Charles. He's kawawa.
Kawawa.
He's sad.
Yeah.
Sad boy.
I'm not sad, but I'm just kawawa. Why are you ganging up on me?
I'm just
I think what we have gathered from the guys here, it's all about context. Diba? Dapat may dahilan. And not because you see it in another setting, in another basketball setting, it can be applicable to the PBA setting. You know, I've had numerous fans complain on Twitter na ano ba tong drums na to? And to be fair, may mga tao rin na gusto yan. Di ba? Meron din.
I have yet to come across one.
Ako meron. I've received
Yung ayaw alam ko kasi tinag-rin ako.
pero I've received a number of tweets. Sabi, uy, ganda ng drums. Ibang atmosphere. Parang college. But I think there are significantly more people who are bothered by it. Kasi it's, parang it goes against the PBA viewing culture eh.
Oo.
Kasi sa PBA, alaskahan siya eh. Wala kang team cheer, wala kang team beats, wala kang mga entrance beat, walang ganyan. So, and then, pagdating ng finals, all of a sudden, darating yung drums, and it's just, it's such a shock to the system for everyone involved. I think the players, coaches, commentators, and the fans also, na hindi sila sanay. Kasi for the entire tournament, nanonood ka, narinig mo yung alaskahan.
Teka, parang sinasuggest mo na ibong season eh. What?
Hindi. Sa akin lang, kung hindi naman mamimiss ng fans kung wala yung drums, then maybe baka hindi siya kailangan talaga. Lalo na kung wala namang cheer. But of course, teams are entitled to bring drums if they want. Gusto nilang gumastos. Gastos yan eh. Binabayaran mo yung mga bata para mag-drums. But it wouldn't hurt to ask the fans also.
And the players.
But again, if Jimmy says, pag alabas kami, ibalahibo ko, then I'll keep quiet. Otherwise, I just hope na, kung may reason, then let's find out what that reason is for the drums. If it's a valid reason, then maybe fans will grow to like it.
Wag na.
Or not.
Or not.
But that's part of viewing experience in the PBA. Maybe. Kung every year ganito, baka matutunan natin magustuhan. Maybe.
Hindi talaga.
So Miyaka, pwede ka manawagan to both San Mi Coffee and Talking Text. Should they bring drums to the games or not?
Parang na-pressure lang na sumabay yung San Mig Coffee.
Yun nga eh,
diba?
Dear San Mig, huwag na kayo sumabay. Hindi talaga, it's not working.
Hey, Talking Text.
Talking Text, please stop. Hindi, it's not gonna happen. Hindi siya parang college. It's not. No! Please.